Hey people, it's a Tech Tree, and do you want to learn how to install shaders in Minecraft? If so, then you've come to the right place. First, you'll need to make sure that 1.14.4 is properly installed on your computer. To do this, open Minecraft and look to the lower left of the window. It should say 1.14.4. If not, then you may need to switch versions, otherwise go ahead and press play. As I'm using Fresh Install on Minecraft, it needs to download. Once Minecraft is open, you can close it, as now all the assets are downloaded that are needed to continue with this process. Next, go to the link in the description, which brings you to Optifine.net. You will find Minecraft 1.14.4. Now click the mirror button to the right of it. This will bring you to the direct link to download Optifine. Google Chrome will ask you if you would like to keep the file. Click yes. Now, drag the .jar file to your desktop and you can close Optifine.net. After completing that, go to the second link in the description, which will bring you to Shaders Mods, where you can find many different shaders which you can choose from. I'm going to be installing Silder's shaders, however, the install process is very similar to others. Once you have found your shaders, click on them and scroll down until you find the download links for your shader pack and download whichever one suits your computer best, whether you're running a potato or an ultra high-end gaming rig. When you have downloaded the .zip file, drag it to your desktop as well and close the site. Once you have done this, go to your desktop and open the Optifine 1.14.4 file using Java by right-clicking and hovering over Open With and then clicking on Java TM Platform SE Binary. This will open a window. Click on Install. If you have followed the steps correctly up to this point, Optifine should have successfully installed. Click OK. Now open Minecraft and find the little arrow next to the play button and click on it. Find the 1.14.4 Optifine version and select that. Press play. When Minecraft loads, head to Options, then Video Settings, then Shaders. However, there may be a compatibility issue with fast render. To fix this, go to Performance and turn off Fast Render. When you're in the Shaders menu, you need to click on the Shaders folder, which will open a folder. This is where you need to drag and drop the Shaders pack you downloaded. You can close the window, and the shader should be there. If it isn't, click Done and reopen the Shaders menu. Click on the shader you installed. In this case, it's Silder's. Next, click Done, and you have completed the install. Load into a world and enjoy your new Minecraft look. See ya, and thanks for watching!